Sean Diddy Combs, the 55-year-old music mogul and founder of Bad Boy Records, has decided not to testify in his own high-profile trial. This strategic move, confirmed by recent court updates, comes amid serious charges against him, including sex trafficking, racketeering, and involvement in prostitution. The trial, which began on May 12, has garnered significant media attention due to the nature of the allegations and the high-profile status of the defendant. Diddy has been under arrest since last September and has maintained a consistent presence in court throughout the proceedings. His family has also been attending hearings regularly to show their support. Despite this, the defense team has opted to exclude Diddy's testimony from their final phase, signaling a cautious approach to the case. Legal experts suggest that this decision is likely aimed at avoiding the risks associated with a direct cross-examination, which could potentially damage his defense and open the door to further scrutiny. According to Neama Rahmani, a legal analyst and former federal prosecutor, the choice not to take the stand is a tactical one. Rahmani told People magazine that testifying could expose Diddy to aggressive questioning and might even prompt the reopening of over 60 civil cases currently pending against him. This could complicate his defense and potentially weaken his position in both the criminal and civil arenas. Given the stakes, the defense team appears to be focusing on limiting exposure rather than risking additional legal battles. The trial has seen several dramatic moments, including the dismissal of a juror by Judge Arun Subramanian. The juror was removed following vague statements, which the judge found insufficient to justify their continued participation. This decision came after Diddy's attorneys argued that the removal would impact the jury's diversity, specifically highlighting concerns about replacing a black juror with a white one. However, Judge Subramanian dismissed these claims as baseless, emphasizing the importance of a fair and impartial jury over demographic considerations. The charges against Diddy include serious allegations that have shocked fans and the industry alike. Accusers, including well-known singer Cassie Ventura, have revealed disturbing details about what have been called freak-off parties, events allegedly organized by Diddy that involved illicit activities. These revelations have added a grim dimension to the trial, underscoring the severity of the accusations and the potential consequences for Diddy's career and personal life. The prosecution has laid out a complex case that intertwines multiple charges and witnesses, aiming to establish a pattern of illegal conduct. Meanwhile, the defense continues to challenge the credibility of the accusers and the evidence presented, focusing on dismantling the prosecution's narrative. With Diddy's testimony off the table, the defense will have to rely heavily on other strategies, including expert witnesses and cross-examination of prosecution witnesses. As the trial progresses, all eyes remain on the courtroom, where the outcome will have far-reaching implications not only for Sean Combs but also for the broader conversation about accountability and justice in the entertainment industry. The decision not to testify highlights the intricate legal considerations involved in such high-stakes cases and reflects the defense's calculated effort to navigate the complex judicial process while protecting their clients' interests. The next steps in the trial will likely involve the defense presenting its full argument, without the direct input of Combs himself. Observers and legal analysts will be watching closely to see how this strategy unfolds and whether it will ultimately sway the jury in Diddy's favor. Meanwhile, the public continues to follow the case with intense interest, reflecting the enduring influence and controversy surrounding one of music's most prominent figures.